matindi to. May action talaga.
Oh, ito table.
Ayos ka.
Cross stitching?
Sige, hawakan ko Ate Jo.
Crochet? Sounds like?
Naman.
Sword?
Sorry.
Second word.
Parang chopsticks.
Ay, sayang. Okay yung isa eh.
Next.
Ayun,
Three words. Happy.
Wag!